Hey everyone, welcome back to Day Trade with Tony. I am of course Tony and I day trade. So the whole purpose of this channel is to educate and entertain, to a certain degree, about day trading. And what is day trading? Well, for the purpose of this channel, it's stocks and shares on the US stock market, so the New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ. That's all we're talking about here. There are other instruments that you can trade: options, futures, crypto, forex. But for all intents and purposes, this channel is totally about trading equity, stocks and shares on the US stock market. So, without further ado, we've had a good day today, and well, I say today, yesterday, so the first day of November, and we traded five different companies, 5 different stocks were traded. 2 negative trades, 2 losing trades, 3 winning trades. Now we traded 4 trades in the regular market hours and pre-market. We came into the open. We were trading TGTX, and that was one stock. Well, let's take a look at the summary of where we actually finished. Okay, so. First off, we traded CLLS. This was pre-market. We actually lost $300 on that, and we gave it enough wiggle room to break out. We went for a breakout as it moved up. It was up over 200% on the day, so we went for a breakout, and it reversed on us, so we exited for a small loss. That's not a problem. We then traded TGTX pre-market, and we made $300, so we were net zero at that stage. We traded the previous day, the last IPO of October, ALDX, and this moved against us again, so $300. There's a little bit of a pattern emerging at this stage. So it was $300, $300, $300. So I'm $300 down at this stage. Then we traded TGTX again. So this time we actually got a better breakout. We made over 6,000 on TGTX across a couple of entries. We held this going into the open. We were looking for the gap and go breakout to the upside. We got that at the open, and we managed to make $6,000 in total on TGTX. So just under $5,000 on that second part of the trade. All those trades, you can go and watch the recorded live session from the morning show. We did start trading SRPT. We made $1,200 on that as well during that live session. So go and check that out. That took us over goal on the day. Because we traded ALDX again, and we were over goal. We were about 6,700 or something. So I risked another couple of $100 on ALDX for another breakout. That didn't go, so we ended up $850 down on ALDX. But overall, we were over goal to the tune of just over $6,000. Goal on the day is $6,000. I've set my goal at the beginning of the year. I'm looking for 6,000 a day, 120 a month, and 1.5 for the year. So I know it doesn't quite add up that way because there's more than 20 trading days in a month on average, and 120 a month doesn't quite add up to 1.5. But that's the way I've set myself for the year. So I need to overachieve on a couple of months. Doing really well on that. So I came into November absolutely on the money for the year. Didn't have a great October. Actually lost money in real terms after the fees and charges in October, but that's besides the point. So then we traded SRPT again, and we made another $1,500 on that. Coming into the earnings, I was watching SRPT as one of the earnings, because I had earnings last night as one of the earnings drops. There's a number of stocks that actually had earnings last night. There was PayPal, there was Qualcomm, there was Etsy, a whole bunch of them. So and SRPT, Sarepta was one of those. So I was watching that for earnings. Didn't trade Sarepta. The volume dried up on it, so it wasn't worth trading. I was waiting for PayPal. PayPal was a bit of a damp squib when it did move. It moved $2, and I watched it. I thought it was going to. I thought that was just a liquidity grab, and it was going to go for more. So I didn't enter. I waited for the actual pop, which never materialized. So bit of a strange one. But I did trade ROKU, and that's really what I'm going to show you. The trade recorded. All the other trades you can watch on the live stream. Recorded from earlier, but I'm going to show you a very quick how to trade earnings, how to make a significant amount of money, 12K in 5 minutes. Enjoy the trade replay. I'll just give you a quick summary of what actually happened here. Got a little bit of liquidity grabbing here, and I was hovering over my hotkeys ready. I actually pressed the hotkey to go long, kind of prematurely. It didn't quite break out straight away, but then it took off, took some profits, added back, took some profits, added back, and added to the position. And then took profits at the top. When it started to break new lows here, that's when I got out. So in total, from entry to exit, a little over 5 minutes. It really probably left a little bit on the table because whilst it pulled back, it did then break out later and go on to make new highs. So ROKU was a good mover, and I've traded ROKU on earnings in the past, and we managed to get quite a substantial amount on it last time as well. So ROKU is a good stock to trade on earnings. It wasn't overly priced, you know, a $60 stock. I know taking, you know, 1,000, 2,000, 2,500 shares of a $60 stock, you do have to have a larger account. I mean, you can get leverage, but then you've got overnight leverage to consideration, so you're not going to get full leverage, but you do have to have a larger account to be able to do that. I'm fortunate enough that I have that larger account, that I'm able to do that, and I was able to make $12,500 on ROKU. So in total, a fantastic $20,000 day to start the month. That's more than 3 times daily goal, and it sets us up already really well for November. Now it's about keeping that going. It's a 3-day winning streak now, a 3-day green streak. We had last Friday, we had a small losing day. We want to get as many green days in a row as possible. Let's see how big we can extend this green streak for November. So I'll leave you with this this trade. You can watch this earnings trade after hours. Some of these larger stocks, it's the only time I like to trade after hours is on earnings, because the liquidity, the volume really dries up, and it's only when you've got earnings that you do get enough volatility and liquidity to trade effectively from a day trading point of view. But the moves are very quick, and you've got to have ideally a direct market access platform to do so. Hotkeys, hot buttons, so you can actually enter and exit really quickly. Another advantage of trading these larger cap stocks is they tend to be easy to borrow. They tend to be easy to borrow and highly liquid during and around earnings, so you can, if necessary, you can short as well as go long. I perhaps left money on the table by not going short at the top end with ROKU and then going long again later. I could have traded it both ways, but look, I'm happy with what I've got. The thing is with the market is, don't get greedy. Once you've got to goal, get out. Get green, stay green, get to goal, get out. Now, I trade every single day, every market day that's open. I trade live an hour before the market, 2 to 3 hours a day. Every day for an hour before the market opens, I'm trading in a pre-market session. And then I trade an hour to an hour and a half, 2 hours after the bell rings for the market open. So come join me. I'll be doing it again on the 2nd of November. Come join me then, and hope to see you there. In the meantime, enjoy this trade replay. Take it easy. I didn't want to do that. okay. That's okay. Move it to okay. That's okay. That's okay. There you go. Right. That'll do, son. That'll do. That'll do. 9K for Roku. Nice.
A few moments later.
Looks like Roku's done yet. Oh, I'm done with Roku. Oh. And that's me done, I guess. Walk away.